I have to go and run a couple errands. Can you come with me?
Fine.
Thanks. You're the best. Love you. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Tea Party. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. If you're wondering why the camera is so close to my face, it's because I recorded this in front of my house, which had my house address in it. And as much as I want everybody to see my videos, I don't need everybody to know my exact address. We are here with yet again another snow day. I think it's our 5th in 2 weeks, more than I've ever had in my entire childhood. Not really sure what's going on over here. It seems like there's some cars parked. But Miles and I are about to brave the day. Oh, that's much better. It's so cold outside. It's windy, it's snowy, it's cold. Don't move to Winnipeg, y'all. Y'all. I say y'all as though there's more than one person watching this entire vlog. Anyway, okay, well, we have 3 things on our list today. I am going to go to university to pick up my textbooks. We are going to go to IKEA to get you a bookshelf, right? What was the 3rd thing? Go to the gym? We might not get to that one. All right, guys, stay tuned. I just literally watched a guy shovel himself out from the road, like directly in front of my house. So I'm just about to back out. I'm sure I'll be back in a few minutes telling you guys that I'm stuck. So stay tuned. See you soon. Okay, good news. I did not get stuck in a snowbank. I actually made it to the university. But now comes the fun part, is trying to figure out where the bookstore is and how I even pick up my stuff. I don't really know where I am. We're kind of just wandering around this long, empty hallway. This is my first time on the campus because we've just been doing online classes the whole time. So this should be interesting. Bookstore. Perfect. We're on the right track. We made it to the bookstore, only to find out that it is freaking closed. Ugh, you've got to be kidding me. What a day. Okay, Miles, let's go. All that for nothing. This is just amazing. Well, that was a complete waste of time. So I guess let's go to IKEA and see if we can at least salvage the day by getting a bookshelf. I don't even know how to get out of this parking lot. Scratch that. We are not going to Taekwondo because it is already 4:30 and Miles has Taekwondo at 5:30. So we are headed home. I hope you guys are having a better day than I am right now. Good morning, everyone. Good news. We have, again, another snow day, but today it's not as cold as it was yesterday, and it's actually quite beautiful outside. Look. Look at that clear blue sky. So we are going to try this again. We are going to go to the bookstore, and this time we're going to get the book. Right, Miles? Right. And then we're going to go to IKEA. Okay, sounds good. Okay, we made it to the parking lot without any problems this time and without getting stuck in a snowbank.
Yep.
Yep. And now we're about to go into the bookstore and we are going to get our textbook. So far, so good. What a great start to the day, right? Good, thank you. Okay guys, we had a successful...
Hi.
We had a successful trip. We actually made it there a couple minutes too early this time. So I have my books. And I'm just gonna open them up to see what I paid $250 for.
Are those the textbooks?
$250.
Are those the textbooks?
Yeah, for 2 books. Why are textbooks so expensive? Look at the size of this thing.
Holy!
Yeah, you think the books you have to read right now are big. Wait till you get to university levels. Then what are you gonna do?
Nothing.
Are you gonna read them?
No. That's a lot.
It's not that much.
It is.
I actually like the size of this one. This is for the counseling course I'm taking. This is a good size. I can fit in my purse. See? It's perfect.
Perfect.
So I can take this with me and I can read it on my lunch breaks and I can read it at the gym if I ever make it there. So in the end, I only got 1 out of 3 things done on my list. But if there's anything that these last 2 days have taught me is that life is about prioritizing and making small sacrifices. And sometimes you just have to trust that in the end, life always works out exactly as it should. Thank you again for joining the Tea Party. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, and I will see you all in the next one.